So yun guys, kakatapos ko lang swatch ng glosses. So again, I swatched the shades Dewdrop, Golden Hour, and Solar Flare. And this is from a new indie local brand here in the Philippines from the city of love, which is Iloilo City. I'm so excited kasi fellow Ilongga yung brand owners nito. So, hashtag Basta Ilongga Guapa. Comment down below if you are Ilongga and proud. Anyway, this brand is called the Sunbeam Factory and nag-launch lang sila ng brand nila nung May, alright? Specifically, May 15. So, yung products na una nilang na-release ay tinted glosses and we'll be discussing them later. But before that, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me, don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo fam, we have a Facebook group and a Discord server. So in those groups, you can share meme, ask beauty questions, and share beauty tips, and be friends with like-minded people. Lastly, a little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. So that commission will really help sustain this channel. So if you want to support me and my videos other than viewing it, sharing it, and subscribing to my channel, this is another way to support the growth of my channel. Now, i-discuss ko naman yung shades and I'll be rating them one by one. Again, in my channel, I rate the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest score. So, for the first shade that I swatched was Dewdrop, and this is their clear gloss for this collection. And of course, clear glosses for me get an automatic 5. Now for Golden Hour, I love this shade so much. It reminds me so much of the EB Advanced Vinyl Lip Gloss kasi yung tint niya gives off this MLBB kind of color. So it just enhances our lip color, our natural lip color, which I love so much. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya, so I'm gonna give it a 5. Last but not the least, I swatched the shade Solar Flare. It has a stronger tint compared sa Golden Hour, but not that strong na magiging full coverage na siya on your lips. Yung shade na Solar Flare ay para siyang pomelo pink. Not a big fan of the pomelo pink shade, so I'm gonna give it a 2.5. I love glosses like this. I love translucent glosses, so I love this kind of collection. For the wear test, I didn't do a food test just because whenever I use glosses and whenever I know that I'm gonna eat, I always remove my glosses from my lips. And what I did na lang is I did a water test or I did a drinking test just so we can all see kung ano yung performance ng lip gloss when it comes to contact with a cup. Yung shine niya, it's still there, it's still intact, kahit nadaanan siya ng water, which is good. Now, for those who are wondering kung kamusta naman yung texture and feel ng lip glosses ng the Sunbeam Factory, it feels like a petroleum jelly. It's quite thick. If you have the EB Advanced Vinyl Lip Gloss or kahit yung Careline na color-changing gloss, hindi ganon yung consistency at all. Kasi yung EB Advanced na Vinyl Lip Gloss or yung Careline na color-changing lip gloss, ano siya, mas fluid siya, mas a little bit runny, or it has the right enough runniness to it. I'm not a fan of that kind of consistency, to be honest. By the way, it has a vanilla scent. Personally, I'm not a big fan of vanilla scent. Napaka-faint naman ng vanilla scent and hindi siya nagsistay sa lips. You can buy it individually or as a set. Yung PAO ng product or yung period after opening ng product ay 24 months. Yung net weight niya ay 3 ml and yung price niya ay 349 pesos. So, yung price niya is mid-range. Usually, yung mga indie brands na bago pa lang, hindi ganito yung pricing, I would say. Medyo mas mura pa yung pricing for the amount of product you'll be getting. Let me know in the comment section below if justified naman yung price for the amount of product that you'll be getting. Nagustuhan ko yung shades na ina-offer nila so much, except for the pomelo pink, which is yung solar flare. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Yung Dewdrop tsaka golden hour, lalo na yung golden hour, sobrang bet ko siya. It's just that yung consistency lang talaga, hindi ko masyado bet. Pero great job, I would say, sa first release nila. And their marketing and their aesthetic, guys, napakaganda. You have to check out their Instagram account. So that's it for this review. Ayan, may bagong local indie brand naman tayong na-discover. So if meron pa kayong mga local indie brands na gusto nyong isuggest sa akin, lalo na yung mga products nila, comment them down in the comment section below, or you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbabooya. Again, if you want to be a part of the Boo fam, we have a Facebook group and a Discord server. The links to those groups will be in the description box below. Also, if meron kayong makeup or beauty questions for me, don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbabooya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.